So today I'm going to teach you on how to check your Android phone activation date. So let's begin. First, begin by opening your Google Chrome. Then go to the rightmost corner and click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, you can see here, manage your Google account. Click on it. You can see lots of information here, personal data, privacy. Go to the security one. After going to the security, go down below until you see your devices and you're signed in. And you just manage all your devices. Click on the phone, and this is the time where you first signed, which is 22 minutes ago. This is how you see your activation. You can go another phone as well and go. This is how you find out your activation date, March 1. So I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.